My name is Mauro Coppa. I am a professor at the University of Turin in animal science. Dealing with the use of byproduct of agro-industry, in particular hazelnut and cocoa, in the feeding of dairy cows to analyze the effect on digestive performances and quality of derived product, butter in particular. The use of byproduct as alternative feedstuff is a practice that is positive for several aspects. The first one is to reduce feed-food competitions. It's also positive in terms of environmental impact because we reuse some waste that are usually not valorized without producing specific other ingredients for animal nutrition. And then has also an interest for farmers for the cost, because usually byproducts have a lower cost than other ingredients currently used in animal nutrition. And finally, we expect some positive effect on the product of the quality that we hope that will increase. And so this is positive also for consumers to have improved quality of the products. I visited the facility of the SmartCow herbipole in Marsona, and I find really easy to work with them, so it was really positive. And then, as it is an experimental unit on animal, we have the experiment, but we have to find some labs that perform the analysis on the samples that we collected during the experiment. So I searched for labs that perform analysis, or research infrastructure in Metrofood that perform analysis on the milk and on the butter that we produced in the experiment. And I checked in the catalog list. I had a previous contact with the facilities, and then we finally finalized the project. I strongly recommend to young researchers to use this opportunity of TNA actions, because it's a great experience in terms of networking, in terms of access to facilities, and build up, run experiment that without this TNA action will cost so much. So it's a great opportunity, in particular for those young researchers that have not the CV to be easily able to have some other more complex call at the European level. The complexity can be overcome by anticipating them and improving the communication, and particularly on the administrative and logistic aspect from both sides, from the researcher that have to be aware that this is a complex point, but also from the side of infrastructures that have to put this point to the attention of the researchers that go and perform the experiments. And then finally, yes, if I would have the possibility to make another call, to make another project, I will do for sure.